What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys what happened to my is300.
It's fucked up. But for some reason, Danny is a fucking magnet when it comes to this. Every time. It's always this guy. Look. It wasn't his fault, again.
At this point,
you're a magnet, dude.
I'm a magnet, dude.
For crashes. Now, we're gonna let Danny explain to you guys what happened. They're still going through the whole insurance thing. Hopefully when this video gets uploaded, it should all be resolved, so this video shouldn't mess with the results,
case and
which
anything.
it's not gonna mess with it.
Yeah, but once it's done, that's when you can obviously talk about it and release all the details. Okay, so rundown of everything. It was 7:40 a.m. I had to go to work at 8 o'clock, and I was taking my little brother and sister to school. I normally do that about 3 times a week. So when I was on the way in a neighborhood, a 17-year-old right in front of me decided to do an illegal U-turn. Just think about that. He did not do a 3-point turn where he would turn in to a street and then obviously wait for everyone to go by. No, he did it right in front of me, and I tried swerving to the left to try to avoid it, and that's when we collided. So I did hit his fender and door, and that's when he hit my fender, front bumper, and everything else in my front end. I'm just really happy that it was in a neighborhood, and the kid didn't give me too much problems. He did admit that he didn't see me at the scene, so everything was good there. I made sure to do everything I could to try to do it as quick as possible, like calling the cops to make a police report, because him saying that it was his fault that he didn't see me, that pretty much will relieve me of all the stresses to deal with the insurance, especially him having a good insurance and having a 2019 Volkswagen Golf, which, if you guys know, when you guys buy a new car, you guys have to have full coverage on it if you're paying it off. So I was assuming everything was going good until I talked to the insurance, and he started to say that I was tailgating him very closely, and that's when obviously I got really upset because he told me different. So I started arguing with the insurance over the phone and pretty much doubling down on everything they tried accusing me of. So right now, the only update that I have is that they're going to be reinvestigating and pretty much looking at everything I said, and then they're gonna reevaluate the liability. And I already told them flat out, I'm not taking anything less than 100%. Whenever we do anything crazy, we always try to do it safe as possible. With this, I was doing nothing wrong. I was literally just taking my little brother and sister to school, and surprisingly, in a neighborhood, that's where I got hit. Not on the street, not going on the freeway, in a neighborhood. Look how bad it is though. I was so pissed because the impact wasn't that hard, probably because I wasn't on the side of the impact, but when I came out and I saw the damage, I was so upset because you could see the fenders messed up, the headlight, the grill, the tabs got broken off, you can see it's bent, and obviously the bumper is just torn to pieces. Even the wheel got damaged, so both the front wheels are damaged now. This is pretty much where it's been sitting because I can't drive the car like this. It is already rubbing on the fender. I don't want to take off anything just because they need to look at it to evaluate the cost.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Why are you the way that you are, Marian? You can even see the bracket right here where it got bent in, and right here the crash bar doesn't look like it even got bent at all, because the accident, obviously we were going like 15 miles an hour when we collided, so it wasn't even anything crazy. The damage on the bumper does look really bad. There's no fender liner, there's nothing to support it, so it just cracked, but the actual crash bar looks literally like nothing happened from inside, so that's good. I will probably have to repaint the whole car. When I got this side fixed, this is like a lighter silver. At this point, with all the damages and me having to repaint the whole car, I really don't want to go with the stock front end again. I'm looking and doing my research on what I can do, and I don't even know how much they're even going to want to give me. So that's where I'm at right now. It does suck, but am I really upset? No, because life happens. I didn't get hurt. My little brother and sister didn't get hurt. Everyone came out of it safe. And the only irritating part is the fact that he lied, and the fact that the insurance obviously doesn't want to pay for it, and no insurance would. And that's why I couldn't make the ending for the video for the control arms, because that was about 2 days after.
Somebody posted that they had some like chrome looking type of thing inside their car. I'm like, what is that? They're like, it's sound dampening. I'm like, all right, I gotta get it, so I bought it. That pretty much sums it up.
It's pretty much the things that hide behind your interior pieces, so you don't hear rattles, you don't hear the outside noises. So that's what we hear on this car. If you guys ever see the videos of the pulls and stuff, it sounds really bad inside. There's rocks and everything in there.
I don't know if so you'll be able to hear it. But you can hear like little rocks getting swooped up by the tires just hitting the wheel well.
Dude, I have like the slowest car in static. I don't drive fast, and I get in the most wrecks. How is that possible? How much?
It's called Kill Mat. I don't recall.
Are they heavy or no?
No, it's a perfect thing. It's supposed to help keep your car quiet. You could do it to any car out there if you want to quiet your stock car or whatever.
Why would you quiet your stock car?
From the inside.
Maybe if you're doing speakers.
But I did get a, what is it? 50 miles by 25 square feet.
That's not how it works. Getting all the dirt off is extremely hard. So we're just gonna be trying to place it how it sits right now. I don't know if I'm gonna like the whole interior being covered in this, especially because it is reflective. Dude, it looks so weird. It looks so dark compared to it in my hand. And you look up here, it's all bright.
How are we gonna do it?
Just put it, yeah, start it right there.
Yeah, we'll just start. Let's see, ready? So sticky.
Oh my god, dude. Bro,
this.
it's fine. You don't even need to clean it. Damn, bro. I thought you were gonna be so you're gutting the car just to add weight? Come on, dude. Come on, dude.
All this stuff cuts so easy.
That's
Look,
it?
just by pushing down here, like it cut it. So it sit perfect.
You want? Look at everything's like stuck on there.
Dude, you can just massage it in there to push it down. That's really nice, actually.
All right. Let's see how good it. No, it does. It does rip good. You can see like the stock bolts. We actually did pretty well. I'm still nervous about the sun hitting it. We were able to unclip the harnesses, cut around the harness wires, just like this, and we try to cover up as much as we can. And we already covered as much as we can on this side. And as long as we cover the wheel wells, because that's where the rocks are hitting and that's where the noise is coming from. But we have literally like 2 pieces left, but that covered a lot.
And done. I don't know why this was in here, but it was in here. I think we gotta do the rest of the car.
Yeah.
Because it's still loud no matter what. It might have helped a little bit. I can't really tell too much. I mean,
I can't tell. I can't really tell the difference either. But then again, we covered the trunk. We didn't cover this whole back piece of just no interior, pure metal. We're just gonna be heading back home. Lauren's gonna be heading out right now, but Eden's gonna be coming over. What's up, Eden? How are you, bro?
Car's broken again.
Well, how's your slow FRS?
It's broken.
Slowest boxer motor in the planet.
Fastest all motor FRS in the 805.
We're going to be installing his crank pulley, which is the parent one that everyone likes to run. All the WRX Vape God boys, right? Am I right? Okay.
Right,
okay.
right.
And then we're also going to be replacing his dipstick tube gasket because that shit's leaking. Dude, look how easy it is now. Damn, it's like a broken.
Start it, fool.
Stop.
Damn, that's crazy. Imagine buying a boxer motor.
Do you understand the struggle we had with Martin's car? Because we let him work on it.
Well, Martin's a dumb
dirty monkey, dude. Now we have full access to the crank pulley. So what we need to do, fun tip, whenever you're taking off those bolts, put it in 6th gear and put the e-brake up. And then that's when I'm going to be trying to break it loose as hard as I can. I do have a breaker bar, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue. And then a 24mm. Oh, shit. Fuck. Woo.
It's loose. I already got it.
Perfect. With Martin's, his was more like of a press fit pulley. So when you try to put it on, the keyhole wasn't lined up properly and we kind of bent the keyhole. That's a crazy difference, dude.
So many better than Martin's though. This one pulley costed more than all of Martin's, but I paid $40 on Facebook.
There's a whole stigma behind crank pulleys. If you get lightweight, it's not going to absorb the vibrations like a harmonic balancer would. In turn, causes issues with bearings and stuff like that because the vibrations are getting sent through the motor. This is kind of a risk that he's doing, but all the boxer kids do it. I don't know how balanced boxer motors are.
That's right.
That's it?
Oh, shit.
Oh, are you sure that's 94? Dude, it took like 300 foot-pounds to remove that thing.
I'm not gonna lie to you, it sounded like it turned over faster.
No, it will. It doesn't have the weight anymore.
You guys know, like the
Like a weak ass battery. Like
Yeah, and starter probably.
Yeah. So I have like everything out.
No, it started really quick right here.
Let's see, I'm fucking rusty.
Oh, you're launching it? No?
I don't know. I really don't know.
That felt nice.
Okay, I think I felt it.
No,
right
it
there.
feels, I never felt that type of pull with you. Building a car for the channel, my car is pretty much like a job now. So when I want to push out content for you guys, I have to spend money on my car, and we don't really go out much, and I don't have enough time since I'm at school and work to do vlogs for you guys. And obviously that's going to change once I graduate in a couple months. So right now, when it comes to just dropping one video a week, it doesn't really bother me because I know things take time, you know, life happens, and as long as I try my best on my only day off to make videos for you guys, that's all we can do. It is what it is. Hopefully I get a call tomorrow because I have been waiting already a week since I talked to them and argued with them. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.